Good morning, YouTube. I'm back. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of the house and the progress in the current state that it is in right now. We got this house back in like January 2022, I believe, and now it is almost 2026, so it's almost 4 years. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of road stops, but I just kept pushing with this house. A lot of people are gonna have their own opinions on what they think. I've learned a lot along the way with this house, and I would say it's about, to me, it's about like 70% done, maybe 75. All the structure stuff that I was planning to do from the beginning, I had such a huge roadblock because I couldn't find the right people that would take my vision and create it to real life, basically. And this house is totally custom. So a lot of the stuff that I had originally had changed. My garage is currently a mess because everything that was in the house has now been moved to the garage because we had the drywallers come in and just completely finish the whole drywall. The way I see drywall, it's like a finished piece in a way. All your electrical, all your plumbing, everything has to be done before drywall. So that's the current state we're in. I do want to move in within the next like 2 to 3 months. Yeah, let's go give you guys a tour before I get started on the fun stuff that I got. So let's go.
You're not sad again, are you, Splash Gang? Are you, Splash Gang?
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching those clips. I know it's not much. This is just a short video. I just wanted to put it out there. The next video, I'm gonna go in depth with every little thing that I've done in this house. So watch out for that video that's gonna drop next. Oh, it's raining. Actually currently raining. I just wanted to show you guys a quick thing about this atrium. That's my favorite thing about this whole entire house. We don't get much rain here. It's usually a desert heat. So as you can see, it is currently raining and all the water is going to be draining through. I'm gonna make a gutter system so where it just like drains through, but something very cool to look at. But yeah, it's not much I can do outside today, but when we move in, we're gonna have a dining table. I'm gonna do my office work here, just stare at the sun, whatever the weather condition is. Rain, I love it when it rains, and it's just cool to look at, honestly. Makes me never wanna move out of this house ever. So this is what it's like to build your dream home. It took me so long to build this house just because I want it to be perfect. It's a dream home. I don't think I'll ever sell it, especially with this thing. That thing is my favorite thing of the whole house. This door, I probably will never find this door in any houses I ever move into. So for me to put it in everything, I think, well, probably generations. I want this house to be passed on to generations, hopefully. If you're watching this 50 years from now, I built this for us. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and look out for the next one where I go in depth with everything. So that's it for now. Peace.